Hello YouTube, this is Brian Tubbs coming at you with another video. Today I'm working on the piece, the dance. I told you guys that when I got to a certain point I would kind of show you guys what I was doing. This is the piece. I'm in the process now of polishing it. Kind of what it looks like. It's going to be all polished, all stainless steel, of course. And this is the toe, and this is the rear leg or toe. So it's like dancing. The head is tilted back, arms are tilted back. It's all just abstract. But when people look at it, it will be called the dance. They'll see someone actually dancing. And this is the base that I'll be using for it. So 6.5 by about 4.5 inches tall, and the piece will be standing probably sort of like this, on an angle, like it's center stage. So the base is pretty much done. It's just after I get this polished up, I will drill the hole, sink this into the base on one of the corners, and then weld it from underneath, and then I'll TIG weld the upper portion. Just do a really nice TIG weld around the lower edge to lock it in. So this started out as just a raw piece of stainless steel, all 14 gauge, and when I welded, I TIG welded everything. I used my flat disc 36 grit to knock the weld down. I didn't take it all the way down to the metal. I just took it down, and then I used my other grinder with a 40 grit, and then I went to a 60, 80, then a 120 flap disc. This is just your regular flap discs, FLAP. And then from there, I went to, actually it's a Scotch-Brite by CGW. It's a brown Scotch-Brite. It's a flap disc, but doesn't have sandpaper on it. It has like a Scotch-Brite pads on it. This is a coarse, so it's the same as about a 120 regular flap disc. But after I use a regular flap disc with the sandpaper, I'll go to this. And then after I use the brown coarse, the UPC number is 70120. And again, the company is CGW. I'll go from this one to red or maroon, and this is a CGW UPC code 70122. So it looks brown on the camera, but it's actually a maroon color. I just call it red. I go from brown to red to blue to black. So after I've knocked all the brown coarse scratches down, I'll come behind it with the maroon to knock those scratches down. And then, after I use the maroon, I'll use a CGW 70189, which is blue, a blue flap disc. And again, they're Scotch-Brite pads, that's what they are. And this blue will knock the scratches from the red out. So I go 120, then I go to brown, then I go to red, then I go to blue. And then after I'm done with the blue, I go to black, which is this pad. It's kind of like a spongy, kind of tough. It's not really hard and it's not really soft, it's somewhere in between. It's a CGW 2SF. Now I'll knock the scratches from the blue pad out with this. And then after I use this, I'll get my buffing compound, I'll get my my cotton discs. I'll use my firm cotton disc. It's like a denim disc. And I'll use gray or brown. Normally I use gray, which is a kind of it's a cutting compound. I use that on there. Then after I get everything cut, I'll switch out to my softer cotton buffing pad, and I'll put green polish on it. And green will kind of finish it out for me. I'll buff it until I start seeing that shine come through. And I'll continue buffing until I don't see like haze coming through. And after that, I'll turn my my grinders off, get my saw cloth, and buff it, and it'll be polish finish. So that's what I'm doing today. It's just going to be a quick video, but that's where I am. And once I get it polished, I'll mount it, then I'll shoot another video on what the kind of the final product looks like. But I would show more, but it's going to be really loud with these grinders going. So, all right, guys, that's going to do it for today. Again, this is Bryant Tubbs coming back at you, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you guys on the next one once I get the dance finished. Then after that, I'm going to be working on a piece that I hadn't worked on in a while. It looks like this. It's going to be 3 of these. I will make 3 of these out of stainless steel. There will be a center pole that will come from a base coming up. These will kind of sit on the pole like that. So they'll slide on the pole on the bottom, slide on the pole on the top, and I'll slide it down. This one will be first, then a second, and a third. We call it sails. So I'll kind of show you guys how I do that, but that'll be after I finish with the dance. Alright guys, again, it's been nice talking to you, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.